Canva is a fantastic presentation and designing tool for you to use to create CVs, presentations, and multiple social media formats. Let's have a look. First time on my channel? Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of the good career management tips. Are you familiar with the tool called Canva? It's a designer tool, editing tool for you to create many different things for social media, presentations, CVs, and much more. And it's free. The basic version already covers a lot of the things that you need, and really it takes you a long way already with the free version. Now, Canva is nothing new in the market. It's been around since 2012, and it was invented by an Australian team, and it's been ever increasing in popularity since. Now, it's a great tool for many things. I started using Canva for just doing social media banners, LinkedIn banners, Instagram, Twitter, and then I quickly moved on to making CVs. So I haven't actually made a CV elsewhere than Canva for quite a bit of time. It's been a few years. And then later on, I realized that it works great for presentations as well. So I'm still switching between Google Slides and Canva, but more towards leaning towards Canva already in that sense as well. And why is that? Because they provide great templates, predefined, precise templates, a lot of ideas that you can just start typing on top of them, and it's very user-friendly. So you can just dive in right away, and within 15 minutes, you have created already your first things, and you start to learn how easy it is to use. So highly recommendable. Now the question is, when we talk about CVs, why wouldn't I just use Word? Word has been serving me well for the last 10 years. Why change? And my main reason for change was really that I like to create profiles in Canva, whereas in Word, it was pain. It still is pain. At least for me, I like the creative stuff and I like to move fast. I like to see results as I make them. That was my main thing, why I switched to using Canva. Now it might seem very high school level in the beginning when you enter. You go there and you check out the CV formats that they have on offer. They're all one-pagers, and you think, yeah, but this is more high school, no work experience. But that's fine. That's the default layouts. And nothing forbids you for using the first page, for example, as an executive summary, lining out all your positions, years, and then building further pages as you advance, giving more details on each of the position. That's actually something that I recommend to many of my clients, because the attention span is so short from the recruiters that how do you get attention in those 10 seconds? One pager that gives you the whole history and the story in a snapshot. If I can use that 10 seconds for that purpose only and grab the attention, create a hook for the recruiter, then they're more likely to go and see through the further pages with the more detailed bullet points and everything else. And again, you can create in Canva whatever you wish. And you might feel like, yeah, I'm not fitting the text in the beginning. That's because in Word, we genuinely cramp the font size. We go down to 8 or 9, or although we should be 10 or more. And then we start killing the margins as we can't fit everything. So that's the thing. You can change fonts and you can deviate. You can even use something else and just Times Roman or Calibri. Explore the fonts. Make it personal. So it's really a tool to customize. I think the benefits are really, you can bring your personality into the application, because I use this for cover letters as well. I use CV cover letter. I match the brand style. I match the LinkedIn banners, everything. It is really a brand design tool, your personal brand. So put colors, put pictures. If you're somebody who doesn't like too much color, then put something. You can even do a black and white if you want. And then you can customize. Another benefit is you can customize for different applications. You can customize based on the colors. You can change the pictures there, the background pictures. Everything is possible, and you put the limits, if any. Another benefit is you will look to the audience that you're up to date with the market. You know how to use the tools. They will see what tools you're using. They have the eye, but they can see like, hey, he or she is really up to date with the tools, and this is actually fresh, creative looking, and I certainly want to talk to this person. Versus us coming back with that 80s format of CV black and white. Personally, I think that's history. All that black and white stuff, given the reduced attention spans, I think that's history. We change jobs more often, Every 3-4 years we change at least positions, if not companies. It needs to be fresh. Our personal brand needs to be fresh, energetic, moving forward. I'm somebody who learns. That's what it needs to radiate. And for me personally, Canva is a good tool for that, and something that you can really benefit of, without forgetting the other tool uses that you can explore as well. And finally, the adaptability. So really, I personally adapt any document, any banner, any CV into a particular audience. I didn't do it before because it was too time costly. It was too hard on the head to always go back and start changing, and then it still looks the same. And here with the drag and drop, I can create a match for the audience way easier. Hopefully this helps. Dive into Canva and have fun.